A woman made the shocking decision to remove her clothes and behave inappropriately right in front of responding officers.
You didn't expect that comeback, playa!
What began as a quiet and routine shift for police quickly turned chaotic when Celia turned the situation upside down. The day before, another store had warned her about possible arrest, but that apparently wasn't enough drama for her. After consuming alcohol, she discarded her clothes and armed herself with what might be the most unexpected weapon imaginable, a vegetable peeler. She entered a convenience store, knocked items over, created damage, and aggressively threatened employees. Quite the escalation for an otherwise normal evening. When taking someone into custody becomes complicated, hand sanitizer suddenly becomes very useful. By the time everything settled down, everyone inside the store was left shaken and disturbed by what had happened. Here's how she later explained her actions to the officers on scene. She ultimately faced multiple charges, including aggravated assault, public intoxication, trespassing, property damage, and indecent exposure.
Alright, everyone, buckle up because what you're about to hear is not your average late night police call. Imagine this, it's a quiet evening. Officers are on routine patrol. Nothing unusual, nothing dramatic, just another normal shift. And then, out of nowhere, everything flips upside down. A woman decides that tonight is the night she's going to make a statement. Not just any statement, the kind that guarantees nobody in that store will ever forget her. Reports indicate she had already been warned by another business the previous day. There had been tension, talk of possible arrest. But instead of walking away and cooling off, she chose escalation. Alcohol enters the picture, and from there, things spiral fast. She removes her clothes completely. She arms herself, not with a gun, but with a vegetable peeler. Yes, a vegetable peeler. Now think about that for.
On a second, a quiet convenience store, employees behind the counter, customers minding their own business, and suddenly this chaotic energy bursts through the door. Items start getting knocked over, merchandise scattered, employees threatened, customers confused, shocked, trying to process what they're even looking at. This wasn't just disorderly behavior, it was unpredictable. And unpredictable is what makes situations dangerous. Police arrive, and what they walk into is something you truly cannot script. Witnesses describe chaos. Employees say they were threatened. Some say she waved the peeler around aggressively. Others say she moved quickly, erratically. Nobody quite knew what she was going to do next. That's the thing about moments like this. It only takes seconds for confusion to turn into something far worse. Now here's what really stands out. When questioned later, she admitted she had been drinking. She talked about feeling wronged, described emotional stress, said she had been miserable for months, claimed she blacked out, yet also said she remembered what she did. That contradiction right there is powerful, because at some point, accountability meets emotion. And no matter how someone feels, when you threaten people, damage property, and create fear inside a public space, the consequences follow. In the end, she was charged with aggravated assault, disorderly intoxication, trespassing, criminal mischief, and indecent exposure. Multiple serious charges, all from one night of decisions that spiraled out of control. Here's the bigger takeaway. Moments like this remind us how quickly a situation can escalate when alcohol, anger, and impulse collide. One decision leads to another. One emotional reaction snowballs into legal consequences. For the employees inside that store, it wasn't entertainment or viral content. It was fear, uncertainty, not knowing whether someone unstable might suddenly attack. For officers, it was another example of how unpredictable their job truly is. One minute it's routine patrol, the next minute it's crisis control. And for the woman involved, it became a criminal case that will likely follow her for years. That's the reality of it. Now I want to ask you something. How many times have we seen situations where a single bad decision changes everything? How often do we underestimate how fast things can go wrong? It doesn't take a major crime mastermind plan. Sometimes it's just emotion unchecked, anger amplified by alcohol, ego mixed with impulse. And the result? Charges, court dates, records, consequences. This story isn't about shock value, it's about choices. Because at the end of the day, every headline like this starts with a decision, and every decision has a ripple effect. To everyone watching, stay aware, stay smart. Don't let temporary emotions create permanent problems. If you found this breakdown insightful, if you appreciate real stories analyzed without hype, make sure you stick around. There's always more to unpack, more to learn, and more real-world situations that show us just how unpredictable life can be. Curious? Drop your thoughts below. What do you think pushed this situation over the edge? Was it alcohol? Was it anger? Was it something deeper? Let's talk about it. And as always, stay safe out there.